Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to test your English. Yes, you heard it right. Today I'm going to talk about 10 expressions or idioms or phrases or vocabulary in English, and I'm going to ask you what does it mean. I'm going to check your level of English, whether you understand it or not. I'll go from easy to medium to high, advanced. So be ready to take the challenge. Keep your notebook, pen, everything ready and see how you score. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to talk about the expression first and I'm going to ask you its meaning. I'll give you 3 seconds to answer it. And then I'm going to tell what it means and how it is used in a sentence. Okay, so let's get started. But before that, I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn to speak English fluently and confidently, quickly subscribe my channel, guys. Like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So let's begin. So today I've come up with a vocabulary challenge wherein I'm going to talk about 10 English phrases or idioms or expressions or vocabulary, whatever you want to call it. It is very commonly used. People, native speakers and everybody, every English speaker uses these phrases in day-to-day conversations, day-to-day English conversations. So let's find out what they are and how much do you know. First one is do or die. Do or die. What does this expression means? We very frequently use this in our conversations. So you've got 3 seconds to answer this question. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use it in a sentence and see if you can understand the meaning of it. It's a do or die situation for me. It's a do or die situation for me. Try once more. I'll give you 3 seconds again. Well, now it's my turn. Do or die is an expression or a phrase which means I have to do it at any cost. I am determined to do it whatever it takes. If I die also, I am going to do this. Okay, so determination which is shown towards certain tasks or things that I'm going to do it and I'm not going to compromise it, whatever it takes. I have to complete this. I have to win this competition. It's a do or die situation, or it is a do or die situation for me. Which means I am determined to do this, whatever it takes. Right? This is the meaning of do or die. That I have to adhere to it. I have to do it. I am determined to do it, whatever it takes. This is what do or die means. Number 2, round the corner. I have used it in my Diwali session also where I described how to speak about Diwali. Right, so I've spoken this word round the corner. So your turn. 3 seconds starts now. Okay. I'm going to use this in a sentence and you try again. Diwali is round the corner. See if you can understand this expression. Okay. Now it's my turn, so I'm going to tell you what round the corner means. Round the corner means it is near, it is at a very short distance, or it is approaching. Something which is approaching very soon or which is very near, we call it, it's round the corner. Okay, my exams are round the corner, which is soon approaching, it's coming very soon, or it is next week probably, so we can say this. Okay, round the corner. The third one is right back. Or I'll be right back. What does it mean? Try it. I'll give you 3 seconds. I've used it in a sentence as well. I'll be right back. Or I'll be right back after a break. Try it again. Okay, my turn. I'll be right back, or right back means immediately or quickly I'm going to come back, right? So if you want to say that, I want to be back in a moment, you want to go somewhere and you want to quickly come back, or you want to take a call, you want to take a call and come back, you can just say, I'll be right back. Okay, or you want to take a break, or you don't know an answer and you want to tell somebody that I'll be right back on this. So basically, when you have to take a break or you want to do something quickly and come back, you can say, I'll be right back. Right back means quickly, immediately, after a moment, I'm going to come back. So that is what it means. Fourth one is catch up. Yes. Now, what does catch up means? Try it, guys. I'll give you 3 seconds. This is a collocation basically. And the previous one which I've used was also a collocation, which is right back. Okay. I'm going to use this in a sentence as well. I'm going to catch up with you soon. Try it again. See what it means. Well, catch up means in this sentence which I've used, I'll catch up with you soon, which means I'll meet you soon, or I'll see you immediate, I'll see you soon, or I'll come to you, I'll reach you. So whatever, depends on what context the sentence is used. So basically it means I'll see you soon, or I'll meet you soon, I'll reach you soon. Okay, this is the meaning of catch. Fifth one is on cloud 9. I'm on cloud 9. Try what it means. I'll give you 3 seconds. Well, I've given you a statement also, a sentence also. I'm on cloud 9 today. Try it again. On cloud 9 means feeling extremely happy or joyful. Okay, when I said I'm on cloud 9 today, which means I'm very happy today. Anything might be the reason. I've got a scholarship, I've got a reward, I've got some bonus, I've got a job. Anything can be the reason behind why I'm on cloud 9. Any news which I've received which was very important for me or which made me very happy is called I'm on cloud 9. This is how I express myself, or we express ourselves when we are very happy. I'm on cloud 9 today because I received this job offer. Okay, so this is how it is used. You can also, if you want to transform your English to a next level, use these phrases, idioms, expressions, collocations, which is really going to help you in your English speaking. Now next, another one is feeling blue. Yes, we all feel blue. What does this mean, feeling blue? Try it. See if you know this word or expression. Okay, next level, I'm going to speak it in a sentence so that it's easier for you to understand the meaning. I'm feeling blue today because of the weather. I'm feeling blue because of the weather. Try it. Well, feeling blue means feeling low or sad, right? Not so good. You're not feeling good. So feeling blue means feeling very sad or depressed, not feeling motivated enough to do something. So this is what feeling blue means. We always say Monday blues. Monday blues is something which is very commonly used. Like, you don't feel like working at the start of the week because Saturday, Sunday, you have done a lot of, you've partied a lot or you have taken enough rest. And then since from Monday to Friday, you have to work. So people feel this pressure or feel less motivated to work on a Monday. So that is why Monday blues is something which is commonly used. It came from the same thing, feeling blue. Okay. So you can feel blue just because of no reason also. It's just like, I don't want to do anything. I just feel like lying down or just sitting idle and, not speaking to anybody. I'm just feeling less motivated or less energetic today. So I can say that I'm feeling blue. Okay. Because of the weather also, at times the weather is so gloomy that, you don't feel like doing anything. So this is what feeling blue means. Next one is out of sight. This is very simple, guys. Give it a try. Okay, let me use it in a sentence so that you can understand the context. Out of sight is out of mind. I hope this will help you a lot. Okay, out of sight means not visible, or something which is out of sight, which literally means it is hidden from us. We are not able to see something. Okay, we are not able to see, we are not able to recall something. Another meaning which we generally use out of sight is to express something which is too good, like extraordinary, excellent, extremely good, or impressive or remarkable. Like the concert was out of sight. The concert was out of sight today. Or tonight's concert was out of sight. Which means extraordinary, remarkable, or too good, excellent. So this is how we use out of sight. Next one is food for thought. Guys, this is very easy. Come on, you will be able to do it. And you can also write in the comment box what if you know the meaning. So I'll give you 3 seconds again. Okay, I'll use this in a sentence now. Her story was a food for thought. Her story was a food for thought. Give it a try. Her story was a food for thought. Or this experience was a food for thought for me. Now my turn. I'm going to explain this. Food for thought means something which we need to consider, we need to understand, we need to think about. Now, if I said her story was a food for thought, which means her story was so inspirational or full of experience that we need to learn something from that, or we need to think about, consider something or draw something from there. You need to think about it. Okay. Or if I use the sentence, my experience was a food for thought. I had certain experience which I have to consider or think on it. Like, why did this happen to me? Or what did I do wrong that it happened to me? Right? So that is why it is called food for thought. If there is something, some example is given, or some experiences are shared, or some stories are shared, we always need to draw a conclusion from that, think something, Next one is give it a shot, or give a shot. Try it. It's very easy. Your 3 seconds starts. Okay, I'm going to use this in a sentence. I love storytelling. I want to give it a shot. I love storytelling. I want to give it a shot. Think about it. Try. See if you can come up with the meaning. Well, the 3 seconds is over. Let me explain it to you. Give it a shot means try. Yes. In layman's language, it means give it a shot, give it a try. Right? If you're learning to speak English, give it a shot at storytelling, vocabulary, imitation technique, just a minute technique. All these techniques, you need to give it a shot. If you want to learn English, if you want to learn to speak English, then you need to give it a shot to storytelling, dialogues, imitation, just a minute technique, and lots more. Right? So give it a shot. You need to give it a shot to every single thing. You need to try every single thing to learn to speak English or to learn to speak good English. Okay. The last one is make ends meet. Make ends meet. Try it. It's very simple. Okay, let me explain you with a sentence. It was very difficult for Rosie to make ends meet with her salary. It was very difficult for Rosie to make ends meet with her salary. Give it a shot. Give it a try and see if you know. Okay, my turn. Make ends meet means make enough money to survive or to manage expenses. Make enough money to survive or to manage expenses. Once we are able to manage our expenses, which means that we are able to make ends meet. If we are not able to make ends meet, which means we are not able to survive in our salary. So it's basically related to money or financial status. wherein when you're able to manage your expenses, you're able to feed your family well, it means you're making ends meet. Or if you're not able to manage that, you're not able to make ends meet. This is what it means. So basically it's related to survival or feeding your family or making enough money to survive. Okay, so this is what it means. So guys, that's it for today's session. I'm sure this session will help you a lot, and if you like this session, I'll come up with more of such sessions wherein I can test your vocabulary and you can see where you stand and how much more efforts you need to put in. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you, bye-bye, and take care.